Like, subscribe, and get notified.
In a proud moment for Goa and India, 8 Goan children representing India emerged victorious and brought back medals in various categories at kickboxing tournament held in Spain. Amongst the winning team of 2 were girls and 6 boys. There was one special needs boy with autism, who bagged a record for being the first special need child to win a gold medal in a normal category in sports. Our state government did not support us, but the Indian Sports Federation did, said the team coach, urging the Goa government to create more opportunities as the state has the potential to win medals.
गोव्यातल्यान 8 भुरगे गेल्ले तातूंतल्यान एक स्पेशल भुरगो आसलो इथन सबस्टेन आनी 2 चेडवां आनी 2 चेडवां आनी 6 चेडे आसले हांगासर स्पेन अलिकांटे युरोप हे टुर्नामेंट जाल्ले आमी 2 वर्सां ट्राय करतले 2 वर्सां उपरांत आमी सिलेक्शनाक दोनी फावटी सिलेक्ट जाले आनी ह्या हेका आमी रिप्रेजेंट केले आनी एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड जालो गोवान की 8 भुरग्यांनी मेडल्स काडले तातूंतल्यान इथन सबस्टेन म्युजिकल फोरमान इज अ स्पेशल किड ऑटिस्टीक त्याने गोल्ड मेडल काडले सब ज्युनियर कॅटेगरीन तशेंच सगळे भुरग्यांनी 2-2 मेडल्स काडला अहद मुल्ला तातूंतल्यान 2 मेडल्स काडला तेणी गोल्ड मेडल आनी सिल्वर मेडल इन फायट सांची चव्हाण हेणे सिल्वर मेडल आनी ब्रॉन्झ मेडल काडला निखिल कद्रेलियान ब्रॉन्झ मेडल आनी सिल्वर मेडल काडला तशेंच दनीश म्युजिकल फोरमान ऑलमोस्ट सगळ्यांनी गोल्ड काडला दनीश मुल्लान ब्रॉन्झ मेडल इन फायट and Akif Sayyad is a silver medal in a fight. Sagar Naik a bronze medal in a fight, and Adyan Khan is a bronze medal in a fight. Mohitan Sebastian as a special first Indian bus ज्याने इंडिया रिप्रेजेंट केला आणि एक वर्ल्ड डाऊन त्याने वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तयार केला आणि सगळ्या भुरग्यांक एक नवो इतिहास दिला त्यांनी.
सर केन्ना टुर्नामेंट जालो आणि
18 तारीख ते 22 तारीख टुर्नामेंट चालू जाल्लो आमी हांगाच्यान एक म्हयनो कॅम्प एटेंड केल्ले दिल्ली त्याच्या उपरांत 22 तारखेक टुर्नामेंट सोंपलो आमी 23 तारखेक हे केले आनी 24 तारखेक दिल्ली पावले आनी दिल्लीच्यान आज आमी गोवा रिटर्न आमच्या घरा पावले.
सर आता हे टुर्नामेंट जेन्ना जाता कितलो सपोर्ट मग गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मेळ्ळो जावं तुमची मेसेज कितें आहा?
गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान आमकां काय सपोर्ट मेळना बट इंडियन फेडरेशना कडल्यान आमकां बरो सपोर्ट गावला. इंडियन फेडरेशन आमच्या पासून उबे रावले आमकां युरोप व्हरपाक आनी हाडपाक तेंच्यांनी इंडियन फेडरेशनान आमकां खूब सपोर्ट केलो. एज अ कोच हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता की आमच्या गोवान किक बॉक्सिंग इवन पुलीस टिमीन आयला आर्मी टिमीन आयला आमच्या थोड्या भुरग्यांक तेंच्यांनी सपोर्ट करचें की गोवा पुलिसाक खेळपा खातीर इंडिया गोवा आर्मी खेळपा खातीर.
सर जायते भुरगे आसा जे आयज हांकां पळयता आसतले हांच्यांनी मेडल जिखून आयले so many parents sometimes don't allow the children to go into sports. What is your message for those parents?
Sports keep all the young strong and fit. स्पोर्ट्स तेंच्यांनी भुरग्यांनी सोडूंक जायना. स्पोर्ट्स आसा जाल्यार फुडें फ्युचरूय आसा. स्पोर्ट्सा वांगडा स्टडी धरूंक जाय भुरग्यांनी सो तांकां ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी बरी मेळटा. स्टडी ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट एंड स्पोर्ट्स ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट.
Yes.
स्पोर्ट्स सोडूंक जायना कोणें.
Initially, it was very difficult for me to find a coach for him. I really want to thank Sir Hussain that he took up the challenge actually to train him. It was very difficult to even make him sit in one place, but now he listens to instructions. He does like 25-30 steps at a time, and I really want to thank Sir. As a parent, I did support as to what Sir has instructed and what he told us to do.
How do you feel when your son comes back with a medal? What is your message to others?
I was very happy. I was very.
What is your message to other people as a mother or otherwise?
As a mother or as a parent, I would say that not to give up on your children like this. Just keep taking them forward.
It's actually a proud feeling to have an autistic child. Actually, he's an autistic child, and he has performed, and that also international level, and he has played with the normal kids. So that is the biggest achievement for us. For me, actually, as a special educator, it's a proud feeling for me to know that a special child has performed with the normal. Actually,
So
our special children.
he has not fought with the special children.
Sorry, no, yes, not with the normal children. So that's a great feeling actually. Congratulations to Hussain sir for taking all the efforts, and really has really struggled to make this day happen. Without him, it wouldn't have been possible. Of course, the parents also, I congratulate all the parents over here. Without the support of the parents, it wouldn't have been possible. From my heart, once again, congratulations to Mansi, the mother of Ethan. she has also taken trouble to bring up the child and fight with the normal along with Sir Hussain.
Watch on Herald TV.